This guide will help you address FPS drops in CS2 by providing a series of steps to optimize your game settings and system performance. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. This can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause FPS drops. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow detail, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can significantly improve FPS, especially on lower-end systems. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, music players, or other games can consume system resources and lead to performance issues in CS2. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to Control Panel System and Security System Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, select Adjust for Best Performance to disable visual effects that can slow down your system. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your system's temperature using monitoring software. Overheating can cause your hardware to throttle performance. Ensure your PC is well ventilated and consider cleaning dust from fans and components to maintain optimal temperatures. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing CS2. Regularly check for updates and optimize your settings to maintain a smooth gaming experience.